So you can take this wig down, and let me go and take this down so y'all can
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, drama
When I
straight.
come on here and I say, y'all, I have a wig that I'm super excited about, I genuinely mean that, specifically because I'm always on the hunt for some affordable, easy hair. And I hope that I have found this in this Sensational. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I cannot comb hair. However, I enjoy playing in hair, I enjoy playing in makeup, and I need it to be affordable and I need it to be beginner friendly. Because even though I've been wearing wigs for damn near 12 years, I just never mastered it, right? So it has to be beginner friendly. So when I saw Sensational was dropping this new collection, Glamora, of these pre-styled units, I said, we are gonna try it out. Now, Sensational claims that these wigs are pre-styled right out of the box. They're beginner friendly and easy, and they're pre-plucked with natural hairlines. It says that they come with 2 styles in one, and it's not just this unit. Like I'm doing, or I'm about to review one that's part of their glam unit, but they also have other collections within this collection. They have a classy unit, they have a glam updo unit. So I think that if this works, this would be so good for me. So I want to show y'all pictures of it. So you have a classy unit. It looks like it's already pre-styled as a little bun. You have the glam unit, but that is glam unit 4. I'm reviewing glam unit 1. And then you have the glam updo unit. So wait for Sensational. I will give Sensational that out of all of these synthetic wig companies, I really think that Sensational is the most innovative and they're affordable. So I went and checked out the websites that I normally do, and this wig retails for between $35 to $40. Sam's Beauty, Ebony Line, who else did I look? Oh, Amazon even has it for $41. Okay, so this is an affordable unit because y'all know I have been really big on that lately. These synthetic wigs are getting ridiculous with prices at $60 and $70 for a synthetic unit. So for Sensational to come out with something like this, I'm all ready. For the value, 10 out of 10. So the packaging on this unit is also really, really pretty. It's like this nice lavender packaging, and we know Sensational is gonna do that every time. Like with the bare lace packaging, that brown and that orange, it's always. So we can count on that. And the box is really, really nice. I just picked this unit up in a 1B because I didn't want to play no games because we not gonna be sidetracked by color. What we want to see, oh, yo, look, it has little extras in it. Oh, see how easily I get sidetracked? I'm about to go on something. We're not going to be sidetracked by color, and all they had to do was put a little bow in there and look at me sidetracked. I'm cutting off this stock card so we can look at it up close. So that is even really cute. Y'all, it looks like a little fan. Maybe I'm in Bridgerton or something. I've never watched a single episode of Bridgerton, but I know what Bridgerton is, okay? The only thing I think y'all would want to know, on the stock card, it does say bow included. I guess I could have saw that earlier. It's a 13x4, pre-plucked with baby hair. He's safe up to 400 degrees. It says features glamorous, ready to wear looks, no need for professional styling. We shall see. We shall see, Sensational. I'm the most unprofessional stylist. Units come pre-styled, wear as is, or you can let it down. Okay, so that's cool. It says it comes with a glueless, extra secure with a non-slip silicone line adjustable wig band. Okay. They said from weddings to proms and everything in between, Glamora styles are tailored to suit any special occasion. Well, Sensational, my special occasion is going to Piggly Wiggly. So let's see if that will give me what I need to go to my Wiggle of the Pig, or Hoggly Woggly too if I'm feeling fancy. Now, I do want to tell y'all that this unit comes in so many pretty colors. I got a 1B, but it comes in balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage hazelnut, balayage mocha, and balayage sunkiss. Y'all, I think that's one of the most slept on colors. That balayage sunkiss is so pretty. And I have so many Sensational units in that color, and it is the perfect spring, summer color. So not only is the box cute, the box is kind of fancy too. Look, it looks like an envelope. And then I guess I slide this out. I'm about to destroy this. I can feel it in my bones. Oh, shit. Shoot. There we go. Okay, then we have the unit. It's a lot of packaging on it. Okay, you know how I feel about all that extra packaging, but maybe that's to keep the wig safe and secure. We shall see. Y'all, right off the rip, this texture is sensational. Y'all, look at that texture right off the rip. Every wig should be made with this texture. I know that some of y'all might not agree with that because everybody has different textured hair, but this is my favorite texture on a wig. It's not too yucky, not too silky. It is just right. Okay. Let's look at this cap construction up close. It is pre-styled. Y'all, I hope this don't make me look like Boo Boo the Fool. This is so cute on my hand. There's that 13x4 parting space. You also get 2 combs in the front. And then in the back, you get a comb, an adjustable strap, and they did give us that glueless band with that silicone lining on it to make it extra secure on your little bald head, okay? It does come with baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not a baby hair person, but it does come with that. And look at the pre-style. So this one, Glam Unit 1, it comes pre-styled, doing a little half up, half down. It is giving kind of Bridgerton tease, especially with this little bow, okay? Y'all know I'm gonna try to put the bow on here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the bow on before I put it on my head, okay? I'm gonna show you this unit right out of the pack, how it looks. Then I'll cut off the lace, show you all that jazz, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, y'all. I'll be right back.
From the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again. 'Cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this Glamora Glam Unit 1, and boy, do I have some thoughts. Okay, let's talk about the pros first. I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous. That's the first one. The second thing is I am so thankful that Sensational constantly, it seems like every other week, they are coming out with another collection for another group of people. This is a wig that is made for certain people. You know what I'm saying? Like, and to be honest, it's probably made for more people than not, because like she wore it like this with the bow in the back looking very Bridgerton, and I took it the route of 40-year-old auntie that's still trying to look young and cute with the little bow in the front, right? So, I mean, that's a plethora of people that would enjoy this wig. No shedding, no tangling, very easy to manipulate. My only con that I have is, in my opinion, this is not a glueless wig. My size, I cannot get my size to lay down, and it's because it's styled half up, half down. If I wore it all down, it could be glueless. But because I kept it in this pre-styled thing like this, I had to put, you know, some adhesive on the sides to make these sides lay down. And once I did that, I was good to go. And that was super easy. I just took a little bit of glue, got to be, and put it right there. Tied it down for a little while, and boom, it was super, super easy. I am excited, y'all, because I can't comb hair. I have got to go get classy, one of the classy units, and I don't think I can do one of the Glam Updo units, because that seems like I'm gonna have to manipulate my hair, and I'm not gonna do that. But I am so excited for this collection. Like I tell y'all all the time, the Bare Lace collection by Sensational is my most favorite out of all of the synthetic wigs that I have reviewed. This one is innovative and affordable, so I am definitely gonna tap out to see what else Sensational has by Glamora. You can take this wig down, and let me go and take this down so y'all can see. I don't even know I was sitting up here playing. So well, I'm not gonna take it down because it should be in the front. Nah, let's take it down just to see. Am I gonna regret taking this down? Am I? Ooh, this texture is so nice, y'all. Y'all. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Y'all, this is a whole nother vibe down. Oh my gosh. I've recommended the wig before. Definitely recommended this wig as the pre-styled glam. But y'all, this, when they said 2 wigs in one, yeah, like this is a whole different vibe, right? Y'all know I'm a Sensational fan. One of my most favorite wigs of all time is Sensational Adana. And this reminds me of Sensational Adana. Y'all, this is a win. This is so pretty. I'm so glad that I snatched that ponytail out in the bow, because I mean, that's like completely different look. I don't know why I'm moving like a robot, but that's like completely different looks, y'all. So I 1000% can recommend this one. And I can guarantee you now, I'm going to pick up some others from the other collection, and I will do them in color. Now that we know that, you know, we can't get sidetracked by, you know, these fancy colors, and the wig is nice, yeah, y'all, I'm going to go pick it up. Which do you like? Do y'all prefer it down or up? I'm in love. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this one. I'm in love with this one. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. I don't know why I'm screaming at y'all. I just got excited. Oh, that's the other thing I need y'all to do. Tell me, I'm not doing the updoing, but look at the Classy unit line and the Glam unit line, and tell me some that y'all would like to see, because I now know that when I do go out and buy it, I will show it to you pre-styled, but then I'm going to take it down and see what it does, because this did it. It does what it did, and it did what it does. Yeah. Until next time, y'all, thank you for chatting with me and listening to this all over the place review. In other words, to summarize, you need the wig, y'all. Until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye.
Look deeper inside your being.